systems of equations. We know that the solution to a single equation is any point on the line. For example, if we have y equals 2x, we can make a chart and we can do a x and y, and we could say, well, when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 2. We could even do when x is negative 1, y is negative 2. And we could plot those points over 1 up 2, over 1 down 2, and we could draw the line here, and the solution would be any of these points that fall on the line, including these. These are all of these ordered pairs are considered solutions to the equation, but that's for a single equation. So we're going to talk about systems of equations. A system of equations is a set of equations, meaning more than one equation. So when you are given a system of equations, the solution is going to be any point that lies on all, or in this case, both of these equations. So let's take the equation y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals negative x minus 6. And what I would like you to do is graph both of those equations. Now let me tell you one thing that you can do. First, I'm going to graph the first one in green. So I'm going to first plot my y-intercept. And my y-intercept is negative 2. So when x is 0, y is negative 2. So my first point is going to go right there. Now I know that my slope is 3. A positive 3. So I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, because the slope of 3 is really 3 over 1. And then I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. Okay, I can also go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1, because that's negative 3 over negative 1, and that is still a positive 3. So you can either graph using the y-intercept and your slope, or you can literally plug in values for x, make a chart, an xy chart, and you can plug in values for x and get your values for y and plot those. Either one is sufficient. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Hopefully yours looks better because I seem to have lost my stylus. So you should have something that looks like this. So the solution in this case is this point right here. It's a point that lies on both equations. So the solution to this equation is negative 1, negative 5. And that's it. Sometimes you will have equations or lines that lie on top of each other, and in that case, your solutions would be infinite solutions. Sometimes you'll have two lines that don't even intersect in a system, and in that case, you would have no solution. But for our purposes, the solution for our sets of equations will always be where the lines intersect. And that's it. That is your solution.